Hello, and thank you for joining me for this training video. Today we'll be covering the Excel import process. This process can be used to import the files for the initial population of data and for bulk updates. While BarCloud does not require your Excel format to be set in a specific layout, Excel often puts information formatting that interferes with the import process. We recommend copying everything out of an Excel file into a TXT file, then create a new blank Excel file, remove bulk formatting, and copying the data back into Excel. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the wiki, link in the description. From the home screen, click on the Files icon and choose the type to import. In our case, Asset. Once the page is loaded, press the Import button under the search bar. On the first screen, press Next to verify the source will be an Excel file. Use the Select button to search your PC for the Excel file to use for the import. After verifying the sample data to make sure it's the right file, press the Next button. At the top of the screen are the options to import new, update existing, and import assignments or parent-child relationships. Since this is our first import of these assets, we'll choose Import New. The section below will have the BarCloud fields on the left and drop-downs containing the column names from row 1 in the Excel file on the right. Simply select the field name on the right side to match the BarCloud field on the left. Any fields whose name in Excel matches a field in BarCloud will be automatically linked. If this is an import that'll be repeated, it may be beneficial to save the mapping with the Save Map option at the bottom. Pressing the Next button will validate the data in the Excel file. If any lines have issues which would prevent importing, they'll be shown in red. A full list of possible errors are available in the wiki with a link in the description. The most common errors are ID does not exist in the system or duplicate line. For does not exist errors, check to make sure you're importing items in the correct order. Assets should be the last. Also, check the Excel file for spaces before or after the name, since those are counted too. Duplicate lines are rarely an issue. This typically means the data exists in multiple places in the Excel file and will only be imported once. Any extra occurrences of the data should be removed by clicking the box on the far left of the line and clicking the Remove Selected button. Once all the errors have been removed, click on Revalidate. After revalidating, or in our case, as there were no errors, press Import. Once completed, close the window. Thank you again for joining me for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our training videos for any other questions.